In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Market Replay in Ctrader. By the end, you'll know exactly how to launch Replay, pick a market to review, control the playback, and return to live charts with confidence. First, open Ctrader Desktop. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you've recently updated, that's great. Replay features work best on current versions. When the platform is ready, you'll see your watch lists, charts, and toolbars, just like you normally would for live trading. Next, open any symbol you want to practice on. You can double-click a symbol from your watch list or use the search bar to find it. The idea is simple. Choose a market you're studying, Forex, indices, or commodities, and load its chart. Pick a time frame that matches your practice goal, whether that's a fast one for scalping or a slower one for swing analysis. Make sure the chart you want to replay is active. Click directly inside it so it's highlighted. This ensures any replay command applies to the right chart and avoids switching the wrong window into replay mode. Now, click the replay or time machine icon on the charts toolbar. You'll see the replay controls appear. This is where you choose the historical point you want to start from. If a date or time selector appears, pick a day and time with sufficient history for the time frame you're using. From here, control the replay like a media player. Set the start date and time, then press play. Adjust the speed to match your training pace, slower to study each candle, faster to cover more ground. Pause whenever you want to analyze a move. You can drag the timeline or slider to jump within your chosen range without revealing future bars beyond that point. If needed, you can change timeframes while replaying. Just remember that indicators and drawings only calculate up to the current moment in the replay, so you don't accidentally peek ahead. At this point, you're watching historical data unfold as if it's happening right now. This removes hindsight bias and lets you practice reading price action, measuring momentum, and evaluating your strategy without the certainty of future bars. Treat it like a live session. Make notes, mark levels, and see how your plan would have responded as the chart builds in real time. When you're done, click Stop Replay to exit replay mode. The chart will return to the present, and you'll be back in live view. Your drawings and layout remain, but the feed resumes from the current market. That's all there is to it. Launch, open a symbol, activate the chart, start replay, control the flow, learn from the unfolding history, and stop when you're finished.